Navigating the labyrinth. Women in traditional structures. Traditional societal structures can often present unique challenges for women. These structures may inadvertently limit opportunities for growth, leadership, and authentic self-expression. Breaking free from these predefined paths requires courage and a willingness to challenge the status quo. The pressure to conform to societal norms can be immense, leading to feelings of inadequacy and self-doubt. Embracing individuality and celebrating differences is key to breaking free from these constraints. Finding strength in vulnerability allows for authentic connection and growth. Women must cultivate self-awareness and prioritize their own well-being. This includes setting boundaries, advocating for their needs, and seeking out supportive communities. Building bridges, creating support networks, beyond convention. Creating support networks outside of traditional structures is essential for women seeking personal and professional growth. These networks provide a safe space for sharing experiences, offering encouragement, and fostering a sense of belonging. Building these connections requires intentionality and a willingness to reach out. Start by identifying shared interests and values. Look for groups or organizations that align with your passions and goals. Online platforms can also be valuable resources for connecting with like-minded individuals. Engage in conversations, offer support to others, and build genuine connections. Networking events, workshops, and online forums can provide opportunities to meet new people and expand your circle. Nurturing these connections requires consistent effort and communication. Finding your tribe, seeking allies and like-minded individuals. Finding like-minded individuals and allies is crucial for building a strong support network. These are the people who understand your values, share your aspirations, and offer encouragement during challenging times. Seeking out these connections requires proactive effort and an open mind. Start by reflecting on your own values and priorities. Engage in activities and communities that align with your interests. Shared interests provide a natural foundation for connection and conversation. Be proactive in building your network. The power of guidance, mentorship, and alternative role models. Mentorship and alternative role models play a vital role in personal and professional development. Mentors offer guidance, support, and encouragement, helping you navigate challenges and achieve your goals. Alternative role models provide inspiration and demonstrate different paths to success. Identify individuals who embody qualities you admire. Reach out to them and express your interest in learning from their experiences. Be open to learning from diverse perspectives. Actively engage with your mentors and role models. Building a strong mentor-mentee relationship requires effort and communication. The strength of the circle. Reaping the rewards of connection. Building a strong support network offers numerous benefits for women. It provides a sense of belonging, increases resilience, and empowers individuals to pursue their goals with confidence. Investing in these relationships is an investment in oneself. A strong support network provides a safe space for sharing experiences and navigating challenges. Knowing that you have people to lean on during difficult times can increase resilience and reduce stress. Supportive relationships foster personal and professional growth. These connections enrich your life and contribute to a more fulfilling experience.